Salutare tuturor și bine v-am regăsit la un nou episod. În acest episod o să ne uităm la Brawl Talk, adică noul Brawl Talk, și noi o să avem aici noi eventuri, noi poate de alea de pus la, cum se cheamă, la cluburi, o să fie skin-uri noi, noul brawler ASH, cam așa, nu pot să-l citesc în engleză că nu prea știu. Și da, o să vedeți în videoclipul de astăzi ce o să se întâmple și chestiile astea. Și în primul rând, de a începe videoul ăsta, fără mult de tot, să lăsați acolo un like, să vă abonați și să apăsați pe clopoțel ca să primiți fiecare zi notificare când filmez. Hai să trecem direct la video. Adică eu l-am mai văzut odată, dacă vă arăt și eu acum.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a princess named Danny. Wait, no.
What?
And his loyal knight, Paula.
What? Ryan, you're reading it wrong.
And the narrator was always right, and welcome to Brawl Talk!
Deci ăsta este ASH, ăla, brawler normal. Adică el practic face curățenie.
We now enter in a brawlified fairy tale with our 8th Brawl Pass.
It's the Once Upon a Brawl season.
Our next chromatic brawler is Ash, the Trash Knight.
Ash is a very grumpy cleaner at the castle courtyard. And due to the big amount of
Adică el când practic dă cu, nu știu, cu mătura, cu de astea, cu curățenie, cu nu știu ce dă el.
trash and rat that he finds out there, he needs to protect himself with an improvised armor, which is an actual trash bin.
As for his main attack, he creates a shockwave when he hits the ground with his broomstick, and everyone that is in line will get hit by it, and also it charges his rage bar.
But his rage bar also gets charged when he gets hit, because it makes so much noise inside his last minute armor that he just gets angrier and angrier.
Și cred că alea ultimata, după cum vedeți voi acolo bine, deci așa un pic.
It charges his rage bar.
But his rage bar also gets charged when he gets hit, because it makes so much noise inside his last minute armor.
Deci așa.
Line will get hit by it, and also it charges his rage bar.
But his rage bar also gets charged when he gets hit.
Deci vedeți dronele astea 3 de aici. Poate că alea drone care fac curățenie doar că dă hit. Și uitați cât de puțină viață are, adică 420.
Because it makes so much noise inside his last minute armor that he just gets angrier and angrier.
And when his rage bar gets fully charged, he gets stronger and faster for a short while. And also, he's not alone in the battle against dirt.
Because for his super, he gets help from his RATS bots,
Da,
which
uitați,
will
vedeți
attack
acolo.
the
Deci
closest
practic
enemy they find.
In the Once Upon a Brawl
așa ca
season, you will
dronele
find
lui,
Princess Shelly.
Stați așa un pic. Vin așa ca dronele
Because for
lui
his super,
Mr. P, doar
he
că
gets help from his
dronele lui,
RATS bots, which will attack the closest enemy they find.
In the Once Upon a Brawl season,
cheamă pe
you will
el?
find Princess Shelly at the first tier and Ninja Ash at the last tier of the Brawl Pass.
To complete the fairy tale theme, we are getting Unicorn Knight
Deci se adaugă skin direct pe ASH. Direct ăla cu ninja. Și pe ăla neapărat Princess Shelly.
Evil Queen Puff, Princess Proud and El Dragon.
And for Prince Sprout and El Dragon, you can also find two color variations in the shop, Emerald and Ruby Prince Sprout, and El Dragon Verdoso and El Dragon Rosado.
And the last fairy tale skin, Wizard Byron, which will be available
E chiar fain asta. Chiar îl vreau. Și cred că... la 25.000 de star points-uri. Cred că când se dă el la practic acolo cu... cred că skin-ul ăsta trebuie să-l completăm noi la Power League. Cred că așa trebuie să-l completăm și trebuie să facem alea ca să-l luăm. Și apoi dacă avem 2500, 25.000 de star points-uri, putem să-l cumpărăm.
Purchase for 25,000 star points after unlocking it.
And we hear you. Now it's
Cine știe, poate apare și pe shop cu gemuri. Cine are gemuri destule poate să cumpere. Cine nu, dar na, zic și eu, poate o să apară pe shop cine nu o să-l aibă.
easier to unlock it. You only need 30 wings in Power League.
And more skins. We are getting Lunar Piper for the Moon Festival in Asia and Handsome Colt, just because, why not?
Deci ăsta pe Cold. Deci stați așa un pic.
30 wings in Power League.
Uite, 30 de win-uri.
And more skins.
Da, e fain skin-ul să fii poate pe
We are getting Lunar Piper for the Moon Festival in Asia and Handsome Colt, just because,
ăsta pe
why
Colt.
not?
Cred că este ăla care fură banii din... Adică, practic, care vine și fură din bănci. Da, uite ce față are, ciudat așa, știi?
Now, we are not getting a new game mode per se, but something similar.
Yes, we want to try a new kind of solo showdown, which encourages
Showdown, Select cam așa.
a more aggressive way to play. The more brawlers you defeat, the more trophies you get.
We will be testing this new solo showdown mode, and we will compare with the old one.
Our goal is to get rid of
Bă, și
teaming and make this
ultima
mode more fun.
Practic,
And this new solo showdown mode will be available throughout the whole season in its own game slot.
So if you prefer to play the old
Deci, dacă nu... What? Yes.
showdown, it's still possible.
Așa am revenit.
Now, everyone out there, pay attention to this because this is very important.
Deci, e
In one of the next
important.
updates, we are planning to release a series of improvements for the clubs.
We are giving clubs a bigger and better purpose,
Uite
and
cum
we are
vă ziceam
developing
aici, cu
something that will
knockout,
bring club mates closer together. However,
cu Star
for
Power
this
League
feature to work, we
primul,
will have to resize the club capacity from 100 to 30 friends.
So, guys, we want to give you a heads up. You can rearrange your clubs having this new capacity in mind.
If you can't find a solution until the update, we will do it for you. So stay tuned to our social channels, and then we will post more information there before the actual update.
We don't have a confirmed date for this change yet, but it will happen in the next few months. So you have at least 30 days to make adjustments for your clubs on your own.
We are getting more animated pings.
până la urmă acum,
Yes, but it will happen in the next few months. So you have at least 30 days to make adjustments for your
That's
clubs on your own.
We are getting more
deci uite și acum și bazare animație
animated pings.
și Squeak la fel. Tot animație are.
Frank, DJ Frank, and Calavera Piper are getting new visual effects.
Stai așa un pic. Deci Frank acum când ești ultima ta.
30 days to make adjustments for your clubs on your own.
We are getting more animated pings.
Până
Frank, DJ
Ah, deci
Frank,
Frank
and
acum când
Calavera
ești
Piper
ultima
are
ta,
getting new visual
faci așa
effects
de alea.
and free megabots for everyone. It will go together with this update,
Adică,
so don't
da.
forget to claim it.
Cred că
Want
se
to thank
lansează
all of you
update-ul, cred
for
că
all
tot
the
fi Megabox.
subscriptions because it made us win this awesome play.
Now hit the like button and subscribe. Next goal is 25 million, so let's do this.
That's when Nita said, everything the light touches is in our kingdom. In a galaxy far, far away. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. And evil King Frank was always jealous of handsome Prince Ryan. Paula,
Și cam atât cu acest episod. Noi ne vom revedea data viitoare. Că o să mă duc și eu pe la Gami, pe live, pe la Mădălin. Mai vedem noi ce facem. Și da, cam atât cu acest nasul de like să vă abonați.